Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
We're painting eggs.
We're dyeing our eggs.
Yeah, and those only the eggshells, and then Mom's gonna make confetti, and then I was thinking like bunnies and eggs for the confetti, and we're making our own eggs.
Yeah.
And all of them are just gonna have those. No surprises for them.
No surprises in these?
Nope.
Stella, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just got this. Just got this kit from Dollar Tree, and I'm about to give them
It
the.
got pink and yellow. I got green and orange, and then it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Open.
You want to open these?
Yeah.
Okay, go sit down so I can give you the colors and you can put them in there. Okay. Okay. Here are the colors. Annie, grab whichever one.
I want
What color is that?
blue.
Put it in the blue.
Okay.
Only one, Stelly. Get the orange. Good job. Put it in the orange. Put it in the orange one. Good job, Annie. No, that one you need to put it in its the color.
Oh.
That one put in the green. Good job. And this one will go here. Ah, look, Mom's finger's already dead. All right, then we're gonna add water. Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. And then we'll put the eggshells in there?
Yeah, the tablets are gonna dissolve.
Oh.
Do you know what dissolve means?
No.
They're gonna disappear because all the color is made out of powder, and all the powder is gonna dissolve.
I see now.
Yeah. Look, you can see the green one is already coming apart.
And also the pink one. Mommy, mix it up. Pin it.
I didn't mess it up.
You mix it.
I didn't mess it up.
Oh, you got some on me, but I'm fine.
Okay. Sorry.
It's warm water. Thank you. Can I have that, please? Oh, yeah. Alright. Let's put it like this. Hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm wondering.
You probably also do your fingers. I push it down with the thing.
Oh. And then.
What are you doing, Stella?
I put it. Can I try it now? No. My turn. Can I have a turn? No. No.
Can you say, can you wait your turn,
Wait the turn,
please?
please. Okay.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sure we were supposed to wait for the pills to dissolve.
I want eggs, Mommy.
Okay.
I want eggs.
You want eggs?
Yeah.
What?
Cool.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Sit down. I think.
Oh,
I think you're wearing Annie's shirt, Stella.
it is my shirt. The one. This one? Yeah. Oh.
Let me see. Put it on, Stella. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh, yes, Mommy, yes. It's gato.
Encanto.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to another camper hunting vlog. Today is Thursday, April 14th, and we are headed out to I don't want to edit these clips out, so you just heard me stutter. We're heading out to go see a camper that is 2.5 hours away from us, and the girls skipped their nap so they could purposely nap right now. get there at what time?
8.
At 8:58 or
No,
7:58? Okay, we're gonna get there at 8 p.m. So it's gonna be dark, but we have our flashlights ready, and we'll see how it turns out. We have cash on hand, but we are not forced to buy it, so that's what I keep saying. We don't have to get it if it's not good. Our purpose behind getting this camper is to remodel it, but this one that we are going to look at right now is in better shape, or so the photos look like, and it is a little pricier. So that's the difference in our truck camper hunt. Either it's very cheap and needs a lot of work, or it's in better shape but is more expensive, so we have less of a budget for remodeling. So this one is in better shape. We haven't seen it in person, and it is pricier, so our budget for the remodeling will be lower. So we just have to keep that in mind when we go see it. So I'll see you guys when we get update. It is, what time is it? The time we're supposed to be there already, and we are still an hour and 13 minutes away because
13 minutes?
no, an hour and 13 minutes.
Yeah, so we're an hour late right now.
We're an hour late. An hour 13 late.
An hour.
Because there's
We
so
were
much
supposed to be there at
traffic
8,
and
now we're gonna be there at
there's
9.
so much
But who knows how much more traffic.
Oh my gosh, you guys. The traffic. So yeah, we haven't made it there yet.
I need to go pee and there's no fresh.
Ay, ay, ay. Daddy said no fries.
I want fries.
Daddy said no fries.
Why?
Because Dad is here.
What about the food?
Daddy said no fries.
Yeah, no fries today.
In half a mile, turn right onto Valley View Drive.
We just got to the city and it looks so vintage out here. We are 1 minute away. So the amount of curves to get up to this little city, you guys, is insane, and so dark at night is so scary.
Turn right onto Valley View Drive. Then turn right onto Silver Spruce Drive.
But thank God we are a minute away and we're about to go see this truck camper. And we are here an hour and 27 minutes later than we expected when we left the house. Let me see. You wanna? Okay, show your nails. Wow, Stella did a good job.
Let me see.
What color did you paint your nails? Is it purple? Or is it pink? Is it pink?
Oh.
Yes. No, don't eat it. Ooh, let me see yours, Stella. She wants to paint your nails.
Selani doesn't want to paint her nose. I paint their nose. No. Mom, I need to paint their nose, Mom. I need, Mommy.
Cash on hand.
Shake hand, shake hand, take picture of ID.
Take
Can I
picture
have
of
my phone?
ID.
Can I have my phone?
I
Alright, here we are. Here she is in all her glory. Ready to go. It's super late. Well, not super late, but super dark out here. So this is the end of the video until we can get a nice tour coming up. I think this is gonna be it on this video. Next song coming up, maybe next week we can show you guys a detailed video on the outside and the inside and all of the above.
I'm gonna go ask him something.
But for now, this is it.
This is it.
This is a camper we just picked up. Ta-da! See you guys in the next one.